I'm unboxing this box full of Airsoft Megastore stuff. It's not a gun or anything, I just wanted to make a video on me unboxing it. Now, it's been a while since I've opened a package like this. This is harder than I thought. Sometimes you just gotta resort to the manliest of man. There you go. Okay. Basically, this is some stuff I bought I don't need that crap. Right. I bought a shit ton of BBs, like 12 million BBs, and another package of 12 million BBs. So about 35, a lot of BBs. And we got a vest. Alright, so you gotta be careful when opening the vest. Pretty careful, just kind of be like Alright. Okay. Bought this from Airsoft Megastore, by the way. Just Airsoft Megastore. Bad site, honestly. Yeah, there you go. Wow, whoa, Airsoft Megastore. 0 out of 10, I wouldn't buy from them, honestly. But with e-bike or something. I don't know. Yeah, here's the chest rig. It's a chest rig pretty much, so yeah. It's all... They did it wrong. That's pretty funny. Wait, did they? I don't know. Alright. That's the end of the video. BBs. More BBs. And like, comment, subscribe, you know, all the stupid crap like that, I don't care.